today rainy day from morning and now already 2 and always rain. I will pick up my friend from apartment now. I already pick up my friend and we will go to Angelis. He want to go to Angelis Electric Corporation for do something.
I need to take the last bill for my apartment. Yes, in Angelis Electric Corporation.
Hello, do you know so many people now inside, yes?
Yes, sir.
Can I go inside? I will ask my friend. We need
Your umbrella, sir.
umbrella here, okay?
Payment, sir. Payment.
No, I will ask my friend how long time. Georgi, long time need wait or not?
306. Я правда не уверен, что...
Because parking only 30 minutes, I can park 30 minutes. Half hour. How many people in front of you?
Maybe 5.
No, okay, I will wait outside. Okay, thank you.
Ito pong tanong dito na lang.
I also have another parking, big parking. Oh, I never park in this parking place. I will take a look. Oh, it's very good. Center of Angeles city and have big parking place. Because near Angeles Electric Corporation I can park only half hour, 30 minutes parking only. We are parking in the Pure Gold parking in the roof. It's a free parking here. Because not easy to find parking place in Angeles. I always park here. Also, no, but easy with motor, of course. So we will go to the market near Pure Gold, Angeles Pure Gold. I don't want smoked fish. This building soon open, in November 25, Friday. Happy Go Shopping Center opening in November 25, Friday. $180, yes? It's not season for manga right now. That's why price little bit high. If season price maybe 100, 110, 120. But now expensive little bit. You have two fish already on the floor. Two. Yes. Potato, maybe I will buy potato right now. Hello? How much potato?
100, 1 kilo.
101 kilo, yes. Okay. Do you like? You won't buy potato?
Oh, potato I don't.
Okay, later.
Oh!
Near my home, potato 80 peso. Here 100 peso. Maybe I will buy it.
Yes, sir. You want bread, sample?
Yes.
Come inside, sir.
Okay, 20. 25 peso.
What do you want? Apple?
Yes, apple.
This one's 25. This one is 30.
30.
3 for 100.
Another don't have apple. Fuji, like
This
Fuji.
one is Fuji.
25
Yes.
Fuji, it's very big.
Original.
Because big. Because I remember I bought before 15 peso, but
No,
smaller,
they don't have
smaller. I know already different. Yes.
I'll say that.
No, okay, I will choose
Okay.
because it's your apple is big.
Yes, it's big.
What's why price is 25? Yes.
25 each.
No, for 100 peso. Wait, I will check.
Seedless, you want this? Try it.
This is
Sweet.
no. I cannot try. Sorry, because it's not clean. I don't know how. This is how much? 1 kilo?
240, 1 kilo.
240.
120, half kilo.
No, half kilo.
Okay.
Half kilo.
Di ba siya pwede gumalaw, lumabas dito na lang siya.
Sandali lang, sir. Sir, you want this 170?
Okay.
What else?
Papaya, how much?
Okay, 60 per kilo. You may choose.
Okay.
Asa na yun sa kanya? 505. Yeah, 5.
No, don't have.
Ano po yun? Rambutan? Ilang daan?
Thank you for discount.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for discount.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Do you want to see watch or watch sunglasses?
Sunglasses.
Yes, I just show to you
50
shop.
pesos.
50 peso, really 50 peso. Okay, I will show to you. This is all cheapest shops. It's from China all. Very cheap. This is, take a look. This is shop. Excuse me, can put out here umbrella, yes? Put here, yes, outside. It's not for sale. You can put umbrella. we took a look. Sunglasses.
Yeah, you can put it there.
Okay, it's better here.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
You need sunglasses?
I already so many times been here because it's so many sunglasses in your shop. That's why I want to show to my friend.
Okay.
You see, so many different brand. No, have 100 peso. You can see price here. Different. So many different style. I choose this one. I don't know how much. No, it's Ray-Ban coffee. But I want to put in my car because in my car always broke. I don't know, good or not. Excuse me, how much this one? I will ask. This one I choose one today. Next time I come back again.
Okay.
I want to, you know,
How much
little-
did... Magkano to?
I don't know.
75? 75.
Okay. It's very good shop. My friend before bought from this shop
Really?
so many,
Yes.
and he sell in Europe.
Because it's cheap.
Yeah, very good. No, it's good price.
Yeah.
Here price is same like in China.
Yes, because these are all coming from China.
Yes, I know because I live in China before.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Maybe he want to buy also. What you want?
Проводок у меня.
Okay, you can buy. Okay.
Для моего телефона.
You are from which country? Pantyhose? Pantyhose na. Yun yung dami.
Yeah, it's good shop here. Popular. You can take umbrella. can you hold umbrella, Georgi? I will buy. Hello. It's 140. This how much?
20 each.
20 each. Now expensive. Before it's.
How many? 5?
No, before I bought here 3 pieces for
60.
50 before. Okay, 3 pieces. Not need to open. Okay, I just want to open in home.
3 pieces.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Already don't afraid.
Right, my friend, right.
No, thank you. Oh, for Halloween. Do you like to buy for Halloween? So many already. You can go to walking street and with mask.